Away from that, Chief Justice Martha Koome has condemned excessive use of force by police during the fiery protest against the 2024 finance bill and the recent surge in abductions across the country. The Chief Justice called on the police to adopt better policies for lawful arrests. She says peaceful demonstrations are a legal right and promised justice for all victims of police violence. Despite the destruction of court property, the CJ said the judiciary will not be intimidated. Willie Lusige has more.
Request that we stand up and observe a minute of silence.
A minute of silence for the fallen protesters of the anti-finance bill movement.
Children of this nation, rest in peace. May their lives rest in power.
The Chief Justice led the judiciary in remembering those who lost their lives in the last week protests that left 24 people dead. The CJ, who was presiding over a ceremony of admitting new advocates to the bar, used the occasion to express her concerns over the use of excessive force in dealing with the protesters. Koome reminding the police that peaceful protest is a fundamental right of every Kenyan.
We should not witness cases of excessive use of force that threaten the lives of peaceful and unharmed protesters.
In a heartfelt tribute to the grieving families, she stated that the tragic deaths could have been avoided if the police had not resorted to use of live bullets.
We cannot, for us, judges and judicial officers, envisage anybody taking law into their own hands and taking away a life.
Emphasizing the sanctity of constitutional rights and the rule of law, Chief Justice Koome demanded immediate action against rogue police officers who have misused their power.
Those who are the perpetrators must be charged and prosecuted in accordance with the law.
Koome also denounced the recent wave of abductions and called on the police service to establish proper arrest protocols.
It is an indignity to abduct somebody when you can just summon them to the police station if there is anything you require from them.
On destruction of judiciary properties, the Chief Justice did not mince words, calling it a deliberate act of intimidation.
And I believe those who attacked the court premises were trying to undermine the rule of law and were trying to interfere with the independence of the judiciary.
Justice Koome reassured the public that the judiciary is ready to extend its working hours, if needed to ensure that all individuals arrested during the anti-finance bill 2024 protest, all of them get justice. The judiciary has called on protesters to operate within the confines of the law. At the same time, it has expressed its displeasure on how the police handled the protesters, promising that justice will be served to those maimed, injured, or killed during the protest. Willie Lusige, Citizen TV at Milimani Law Courts in Nairobi.